welcome to the Minimalist Mama. I'm Emily, and today we are going to dive into spring cleaning together. You know, all of those little tasks that as you're going throughout your day, you see like, ooh, I really need to clean that baseboard, or I wonder what is behind my refrigerator. Wow, that wall is really smudged and has a lot of handprints on it. But in the course of your day, you really don't have time to take it on and take care of it. So that is what we are going to be dealing with in this spring cleaning challenge. My friend Emily McDermott, her account is Simple by Emmy on Instagram, and I'll have a link to that down in the description below. But she took my spring cleaning list and put it together in this lovely little PDF. We made it so you can add your own tasks to it too, and you can follow along as we go through and check things off each week. So up first is the whole house section. Baseboards, lights and fans, washing windows and sills, dusting the blinds, washing scuffed or grimy walls, and shampooing rugs. And that applies to the whole house. So we're gonna start there, going through our whole house, doing those tasks that need to be done, and then we're gonna dive in the coming weeks to the kitchen, the living room, bedrooms, bathrooms, and office specific tasks. And we might be able to group some of those together. If you would like this PDF, I'll have a link down below in the description. Also, you can follow along on Instagram and just hit the save button on each post so you have that week's checklist to refer back to. Without further ado, let's get some fresh air in here, some laundry going, and let's get cleaning. This is the current state of our laundry room. So one of my tasks for today is going to be putting away and taking care of this stuff. So first up is baseboards. So I'm going to use this handy Swiffer duster that has this extendable handle to reach down and do all the baseboards, and then I'm also going to use this to do lights and ceiling fans. So we're going to do that first, and my plan is that as we go along, I'll also do some picking up and some decluttering, which I have kind of already started, and we can definitely get more into this when we dive into each specific room. But if there's any like low-hanging fruit, just take care of it now. That's my philosophy anyway. So I'm going to get started. So I'm starting upstairs, going through all the baseboards up there, and then I'm working my way down. So I feel like you always want to start at the top and work down when you're cleaning, so you can kind of like knock the dust and dirt downwards. So that's what I'm trying to do. So now I'm going to go back through and do all the windows and windowsills. For today, I'm just going to be washing the inside of the windows, cleaning the blinds and shades as I go through, starting from back here through the rest of the house. A really helpful tip when you're cleaning is to have a great playlist to listen to. So today I'm listening to the Fearless re-recordings by Taylor Swift, and that is helping keep my energy up and keep me going. I'd love to know, what is your favorite music to listen to when you're cleaning? Let me know in the comments down below. list, but the stairs were just so dirty. I had to take care of it before I could continue. So there's definitely still some greasy spots, and I could not get the paint spots off, but it looks so much better than it did. So happy with that. Okay, so I'm sitting here on the floor resting because my magic eraser was totally done and I don't have any more. So I'm not able to finish wiping down all the walls and trim up here, but I did downstairs. So the last thing on my list for this spring cleaning section is shampooing the carpets, which is going to require vacuuming them all first. So I'm just trying to debate with myself how much more I can do today and what I should hold off on until later this week or tomorrow. I honestly cannot get over how sparkly and clear these look now. So funny. It was like less than 5 minutes of work to clean them, and every time I walk by, I'm just amazed. Okay, one more giant bag of cardboard to haul out, and then I will really be done. There. Oh, that's gonna be another spring cleaning project. Good morning, friends. Today I was planning on tackling the carpet cleaning, but as it turns out, our hot water heater went out last night and we need a new one. Apparently this one's quite old, so we need to get it replaced, which should happen tomorrow. But that definitely throws a wrench in my cleaning plans because I need hot water for the carpet cleaner. I could do it with cold, but it's not going to be as effective, so I don't want to waste my time. So I also can't do laundry or dishes. So yeah, thinking of other projects that I could work on a little bit today. Some other cleaning or organizing stuff, and otherwise I'm just gonna chill. I was doing some planning, which I will show you. So I just made a quick list of all the rugs that I want to clean. So we have the living room, which is what I'm calling the front room of our house, and then the room that has the TV has a really big carpet and I want to clean that. The dining room carpet, office carpet, guest room carpet, the storage closet carpets. By storage closet, I mean the former guest room, since we actually switched those two rooms around, which I could show you. So this used to be Bennett's room, but we moved the guest bed in here and turned this into now the guest room. It's kind of a temporary solution for now. I mean, temporary in that I don't want this bookcase here all the time, but it worked really well because we had my sister-in-law come over this last week and she could stay in here, and it's so much nicer than what was our guest room formerly. But I definitely want to redecorate it to be more guest roomy. But let me show you where Bennett is sleeping now. So he's in here. Edison did not make his bed today. But he's in here with Edison and loving it. They are loving sharing a room, and it's gone so much better than I expected. But with moving the guest room out of here, that allowed us to store all the stuff for our closet project, all of the tools and the clothes and stuff in here. And I'm actually going to be turning this room into one big closet because we don't have a basement we can store things in. It's damp, and we don't have an attic. And this is a pile of stuff that I need to deal with. Donation stuff mostly, but yeah. So we got a new hot water heater put in, but I was feeling like procrastinating on cleaning the carpets a little bit because it's just a lot of work and can be kind of nasty. And it was such a nice day outside, so I took the opportunity to take a break from my spring cleaning list and focus a little bit on the mudroom, putting away some winter stuff, going through the hats, gloves, and boots, and taking care of some of that stuff. I'm calling this Procrasti-cleaning. Did pick up some more magic erasers, so I'm back in business, wiping down the walls, doors, around door handles, upstairs. I finally ran out of things to procrasti-clean, so now it is time to begin the carpets. After, of course, I clean the carpet cleaner, then we'll begin the carpets. Yep, that's what came out of our carpet. And believe it or not, every single carpet I cleaned was at least this dirty. I don't even know how it's possible. I will put a link to this carpet cleaner in the description down below because we did a lot of research to find the right machine for us. Because we have so many rugs over hardwood floors, and you can't use a rug doctor on those, and we really don't have a place we could take our rugs to get cleaned. At least we couldn't find one in our area. So after a lot of research, Brian found this machine. It uses a heater to simultaneously dry your floor, or it helps dry your floor after you go over it. So that's how we can use it on our wood floors, and it seems to be working really well. And it definitely gets a lot of dirt up.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend.
It is another day, and I'm back to cleaning more carpets.
Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out. 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 Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why.
And that is it, my friends, for this week. If you join in this challenge, I would love to see how it's going for you. You can download the checklist again from the description down below, and also follow along on Instagram. And happy spring cleaning! Next up, we're going to be diving into deep cleaning the kitchen. So I hope you'll be back next week for that video.
I can help you out. I can help you out. I can help you out.
If you enjoy watching cleaning videos, I have a whole playlist of decluttering and cleaning videos that you can check out. And I will see you guys next week. Thanks so much for watching.
I can